Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous session we have enabled the public access. So publicly we are able to access the the storage and like you can say the UI. Okay, so here we have to enable the load balancer. So let me open the load balancing, then we have to create the load balancer. So here you can see three type of load balancer are available here. One is the HTTP load balancing, second the TCP, and third is the UDP. So here basically we are distribute the traffic for the web server. So you can take the HTTP load balancer. Okay, so I have to click on the start configurations first, and once click on the start configurations, you can see one is the for the internet access, and second is the internet access. But here we can take as the default one because our access is publicly available. I mean the for the public access. Okay, so in the front end configurations we have to put any name, like any name you can define, but as we are using for the static website, so we can take as the website load balancer. Okay, so other like the predefined step we can take as the by default, take let's keep as it is because that is basically for the web server, so we can keep as it is. And here we have to take as the backend as the bucket. huh? So bucket any name you can define here, but while browsing, like the whatever the dedicated bucket we have already defined in the previous session, we have to take that bucket only, because our index.html file, which is the our object, right, that is already inside the dedicated bucket name. So I selected that. Okay, and here the enable the cloud CDN is not required, and I think yeah, other step we can keep as it is. Then we have to click on create. Just let me double check, then we can create click on the create. Okay, let me click on OK. The bucket has been selected, and after that you can review and the finalize as. Okay, so let me create this and click on create, because we have already put it the defined parameter. Okay, so the load balancer name is missing, I think. Okay, let me put the load balancer name as website LB. Okay, then we have to click on create, and it will take some time to off the load balancer. In the meantime, what we have to do, we have to go to the bucket and we have to enable the website configurations. Okay, so let me go to the bucket. We have to do the bucket level. Okay, let me go to the bucket first. No, it is my object. Let me go to the bucket level. Okay, let me click on back button. Then yeah, I got the bucket. Let me click on the three dot. Then you have to click on edit website configurations. My file is index.html, which I put inside that bucket, so I can type index.html file, and let me click on create or save it. Yeah, so the static website configurations for the bucket level has been completed, and it will take some time to off the load balancer. And once off the load balancer, also it will take some time to route the traffic, okay, to the load balancer. So in the meantime, we just need to wait for another 2 minutes. Okay, and once it's off, then we can validate that. Yeah, we got the IP, but I think it will not open because it will take some time to route the traffic, right? So in the meantime, just let me double check whether it is opening or not. Still it's not opening. I think it will take another 2 minutes. So let's wait. After 2 minutes, we can double check. You can see, guys, the we are able to open the static web UI using the load balancer IP. It's working fine. So I think we have done. So our static website is configured to the bucket. So thank you, guys. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.